how social media integration in ViralScope works. So for this we will be clicking on channels where we can see the YouTube integration. Once clicking on the YouTube link, it redirects to the single sign-on page where we are using a test account to test the complete integration process. Once clicking on the Gmail account, it will be taking us back, and with all the permissions we will continue. Here are all the permissions that are given. So once the user accepts these, the channel integration is successfully done. We can see the account has been successfully integrated. Once we have the channel integrated, we can then create content and post it accordingly to the channel. In order to do so, we have a Telegram integration in place. So this is our bot in Telegram. Let's create a integration. So here first we will check our integrations. In this case, we will be allowing our YouTube connection to be a default connection. In order to do so, it will first show what all integrations are available. As you can see, the YouTube integration has been listed here. Once we click on the YouTube integration, it will then add it as a default account where this particular any reel or post that we are generating currently will be automatically scheduled for YouTube. Now let's create a small post. I will be creating a small reel. We can create reels using text, image or video, going with different types of roses as one of my reel. Yes, as you can see, we are using it as a reference image, and these reference image will be taken into consideration while creating a reel. So as you can see, it has taken roses into context and created a nice beautiful small reel for us. Since I like the script, I am going to ask it to generate the reel for me. The reel generation is finally complete. We can now view the reel.
Forever Roses, timeless love, beauty captured under glass, an enchanting dream. Floral fantasy explodes with colors, romantic textures enhance your feed. Orange rose evokes wonder, a perfect moment captured in nature's art. Crimson roses bloom, embrace moody romance, passion with the season. Radiant yellow rose, joy, serenity, bright, cheerful day awaits, wasted efforts, where failure becomes fuel.
Since I like this reel, I'll be now approving it. Now it pops up a question onto when should the post be scheduled. I will be immediately posting this, so post now. As you can see, the default integration has picked up and our post is scheduled for YouTube. In about 2 minutes, we'll see the post being directly pushed and published onto YouTube. It is 5:12 and the scheduler has started posting it into multiple channels that were already integrated as YouTube. We got a successful message saying that it has been posted successfully to YouTube. Let's verify this on our YouTube. This is the YouTube page that was linked by the post. As you can see, the rose post has been published onto YouTube and it is visible.
Forever Roses.
Once the post is successfully published, we can verify the post on our dev site as well, where you can see what all posts have been successfully posted. This is our analytics page where you can see the channel of the reel where it has been posted is also mentioned, and from here we will be able to pull up the engagement. So in this way we can display the engagement on each post to the user. For this, analytics APIs will be used. This is the in detail explanation of how YouTube integration is being handled what all parameters we are currently using, credentials. We'll be posting on behalf of the user based on the approval, and post the successful post on of the short videos. We can also see the analytics of the complete post. Thank you.